I'm starting off with an angle brush. Using the darkest brown shadow, I'm lightly mapping out the cat shape that I want on the crease. Once I'm happy with the shape, I went in with the same brown shadow to darken the shape. Using a small flat brush, the second darkest brown shadow, slowly blend it above your crease. Going in with the third shadow with the blending brush, slowly blend out the edges from the crease and upwards to create a smooth transition. Lastly, going in with a black shadow, top it off on where you initially mapped out the cat wing to further darken the crease. I'm taking off some of the pigment on the brush on the back of my hand and turn the brush around, using the tip of the brush to spread the black shadow further into the inner corner. From here onwards, I'm repeating the same steps until I've reached the result that I want. You can use an angle brush or a small flat brush with a black shadow to map out a wing liner. Moving on with the lower lash line, I'm using an angle brush with a brown shadow to create this wing lower lash line where the ends are winged up. Topping off with a liquid liner, I personally prefer to use an eyeshadow first, then an eyeliner to prevent mistake because eyeshadow is easier to clean. I'm going in thicker in the inner corner with the liquid eyeliner because I'm extending the liner a lot further than I usually do. This gives you an elongated fox eye. To make sure that the extended liner is connected, if not, it'll look like you have something stuck in your inner corner. Going in with the finishing touches to complete the eyes, brighten your inner corner, under your brow, and load on the mascara. I've done my base here and decided to further contour my face with the L.A Pro Concealer. I have 2 videos dedicated to contouring and highlighting. I'll link it down below. The final step, put on your favorite nude lip. Remember to check the description box. I'll leave all the products featured in this video below. I'm going in with the Shu Uemura translucent powder to lightly powder my forehead, under the eyes, and around the nose area. Thank you so much for tuning in. Lots of love. See you in my next one. 나에겐 이미 되었고 나를 웃게 만들어줬어. 이젠 모르겠어 난 너가 날 좋아하는지 잘 모르겠어. I don't know why you say no.